Hi, this is Tobias Pinkney from Powered to Witness University, sharing one of the hidden treasures from our Bible study this week. I hope you get to read about Mark chapter 14, verses 1 through 9, the story of the woman with the alabaster box with oil, anointing Jesus to reign over their situations on the way to Jerusalem. I'm here to share that when we anoint Jesus to reign over our situations, there's going to be an overflow of grace and love into the lives of others, encouraging other people. In fact, Jesus, the world, everybody around you is waiting for the overflow of grace and love to change them. You can reign. Your reign is essentially the love and the grace that overflows into others. How do I know that you are destined to reign, that you're destined to encourage others? I know because of the effects of sin. Sin in our lives damages us, and it damages the people around us. Think about the reverse. When we live in righteousness, when we live in grace, when we live in love, that love from Jesus Christ reigns in us and overflows and changes the world around us. Jesus, somebody else is waiting for you to reign in your life so that love and grace can change theirs. Have a blessed week, and I'll see you then. Bye.